Welcome to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to book a US visa from the UK. Ladies and gentlemen, the very first step that you need to take is to fill out the online form, the DS160 application, right over here at this website, and print your confirmation page with the AA barcode. Upload 2x2 color photos and ensure all of the information is accurate. Register at this website right over here and enter your DS160 confirmation number and pay the non-refundable MRV application fee to book your appointment date. Note that is a non-refundable fee. Gather your printed DS160 confirmation form, your appointment page, a valid passport with more than 6 months validity, your physical photos, and a visa category specific supporting documents. Arrive on time at the US Embassy or Consulate with all of your documents. Be ready to clearly explain your travel purpose and also answer questions about your application. Your DS160 barcode number must be exactly the one that is used to schedule your appointment. So if you update your DS160 after payment, update your appointment profile at least 2 business days before your interview. Mismatched barcodes or missing confirmation pages will result in denied embassy entry. Also, book early. Appointments wait times vary significantly throughout the year, so schedule well in advance to secure your preferred date and avoid any delays in your travel plans. Your visa application fee will expire within 365 days. That's 1 year. If you don't complete the process within this time frame, you will have to pay for it again. So keep that in mind. I hope this was helpful.